Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP NB4520 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to check IP address on this printer. So firstly, need to open the AWS. Of course, you can't open AWS using web browser because you don't know your IP address. So you need to open HP Smart Application. Then add your printer to your HP Smart app. To add your printer, you need to click Add Printer, then find your printer and add it to your application. As you can see, I have my printer added. So click on it, choose Advanced Settings, Network, and here you will see your IP address. If you don't see your IP address here, so you need to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi, and then you will have your IP address here. Then just copy this IP address and enter it into your web browser. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.